What's for dinner?
Nachos. Gonna cook up our meat first.
What's that?
Of course, my 0 point extra lean turkey breast. And look, I got it on sale.
Ooh,
$2.99.
you're thrifty.
I love getting it for you. Flop. Let's cook.
Say cheese.
Everything that I make, even for the family, is Weight Watchers proof. Because essentially it's healthier. This is ground turkey. Obviously it's lower in fat. Healthier white meat. It's better for you. So I will be using these for my nachos. It's lower points than these are what I'm gonna make for hubby and daughter. Tostitos. These are a white bean chip. I haven't tried one yet.
I hope they're good.
I don't know. They're not bad. And I figured covered in the taco meat and the cheese, it's not going to be much of a difference. It's actually pretty good. It's nacho flavored. 1 ounce is 3 points. Compared to 1 ounce of these is 5 or 6 points, I believe. I think they're good, so Ava and I will eat these ones. Hubby and teenager daughter will eat these. So everybody gets the same meat. 0 points for my personal plan because I chose chicken breast and turkey as a 0 point food option for me because I eat it almost every day. I eat chicken almost every day. It's 0 points for me. It could be 0 points for whoever chooses it. My turkey is just about cooked, so I'm gonna add some taco seasoning.
Is that points?
I don't count it. It might be. It might be like 1 point. So divided between like 4 dishes, it's like nothing. Preheat the oven. I'm gonna go with 375. We're gonna add a can of black beans.
Are beans points on your plan?
Yes, they are. They're a low point. But yes, they are points. I think 1/4 cup is 2 points.
Alright, so what's that?
Alright, so I made some beef broth in the microwave. I'm just gonna add some of this. And I'm gonna add a little bit more seasoning to this too. Now that I added the beans and everything. Needs a little more. Alright. Meat is done. This is the part that's going to go over the chips. Start loading up. I'm going to just turn that down to low. That's 1 ounce. I might do like 1.5 ounces.
That's not a lot.
No, I want more. Okay, so that's 1.5 ounces. That'll be good for me. Okay.
That's not bad.
Not bad at all. Doesn't look like much of a difference in my opinion. Alright, so this is going on everybody else's except mine. Cheese. This is the cheese I'm going to use. Salsa con queso, 2 tablespoons is 2 points. If you get the Tostitos brand, you could have 3 tablespoons for 2 points.
Why didn't you do that?
I didn't know it at the time. And this one's $2 and Tostitos is like 5. So I'm going to do 2 tablespoons of cheese. 1, 2. Good to the last drop. Okay. Olives.
What?
Olives. Olive.
Olive juice?
I love juice you too. Like this one's yours, right? Alright, couple pieces of poblano. jalapenos.
Does the baby get those?
No. But mommy loves them. Alright. Next up, I'm gonna put some onions. Alright, into the oven we go.
How long are they going for?
About 10 minutes.
How hot?
It's at 375 right now. I'm gonna keep an eye on it though because I don't usually make recipes with time in the oven and everything. Usually just wing it. So I'm gonna keep an eye on them.
Keep your eyes open.
I'm gonna keep an eye on them and check the meltiness on the cheese because everything's already cooked. Just gotta heat it up. And yeah, should be ready in about 10 minutes. I just cut up the lime and the avocado we're gonna put on top once it comes out of the oven. I do have to weigh my avocado now because I used to have 20 points a day, but avocado was a 0-point food. I recently took it out as being a 0-point food. Now I have 23 points a day. I don't eat avocado every day, so how the personal points plan works is if you choose more 0-point foods, you have less points. Or you have less points, but more 0-point foods. If you choose less 0-point foods, you have more points. So you're able to use your points wherever you want, and not just with the 0-point foods. So I took this off. I have whole wheat pasta, eggs, lean turkey and chicken, and fruits and vegetables. I'm just gonna weigh this whole thing with the peel and everything. It's 1.4 ounces. I'll weigh this. So I'm gonna call this just 1 ounce because it was just 1.4. It's better than putting the avocado on the tray.
Gotcha.
Then it gets dirty.
That's the smartest thing I've ever seen you do.
Alright, I think it's okay.
Think you're done?
Look, see. Sorry. Yeah, it looks good.
Okay. How long was that? We'll check the time later.
Yeah. Alright, so this one's mine. So I'm just gonna go ahead and put this right on top. So the best part about this meal is that there's no dirty dishes. We're gonna eat from these tin foils. Yeah.
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 Yep.
I'm gonna do $1.
And how much does that cost?
That was 1 point.
A point a dollop?
Salt trap. And then everybody's gets a lime wedge. And we're ready to eat.